Now, the other point I want to make about what you said is these guys that are putting in, footnote 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17, there's fear involved there. The person writing is afraid that they may be attacked and, their argument may be may be torn apart. So this is a secret in my legal career. I don't know, this is the way I approach legal writing, especially briefs and stuff. I sprinkle my briefs with case law just to show them, hey, watch out for my bat here, like I'm making an argument here, but like I got a bat in my hand I could hit you over the head with, just to signal to them, yes, I know we're in the legal world and I've got these cases, but I'm not a big guy. My philosophy, there's a sort of a philosophy in writing in the legal world. If you're strong in the facts, you emphasize the facts, and you're weak in the law. If you're whatever your case is, if it's weak in facts, you argue the law. If it's weak in law, you argue the facts. Well, that's my approach too, but I add I believe you have to kind of play the game with these people. It's sort of like a indicator of your sophistication that you can throw out a case, and lawyers, it's all, lawyers will cite to each other. Oh, there's a most recent case, it happened in Texas. The citation is this, and we're all sitting there making notes about this case that none of us will ever use. But, it's just it's sort of a rite of passage that they have among lawyers sometimes. So
it's